The Ignis S2 Home Fire Safe from Burton Safes is a range of certified safes, providing security and fire protection for up to 60 minutes. Ignis, tested and certified to EN 14450 S2 by ECBS, provides an insurance cash rating of £4,000 or a jewelry rating of £40,000. It is fire tested and certified to the well-respected NT 01760P standard, providing 60 minutes fire protection for paper. With an easy-to-use high-quality electronic lock and three-way locking bolt system, it makes the Ignis the perfect entry-level security safe. Available in 4 compact sizes to fit in wardrobes and office furniture. Each size includes an internal line drawer, passport holder, key hooks and an internal LED light. Ignis, approved by the AIS and built to a police-preferred specification, secured by design. If it matters to you, secure it with us. Quick user guide for the Ignis Safe Lock. How to open the safe. Press the on key. Enter a valid 6-digit code. The factory default is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press the enter key. Within 4 seconds, turn the handle clockwise until the stop position is reached. Open the safe door. How to close the safe. Ensure that the bolts are fully retracted. If necessary, rotate the handle clockwise to retract the bolts. Gently push the door shut. Always ensure that there are no objects or people in the way of the closing door. Turn the handle anti-clockwise until the stop position is reached. Changing your code. Open the lock using a valid 6-digit master code. Open the safe door. Press the on key. Press the enter key. Press key 1 followed by the enter key. Enter the existing 6-digit master code. The factory default is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press the enter key. Enter a new 6-digit code followed by the enter key. Re-enter the new 6-digit code, then press the enter key to confirm. For more detailed lock information, visit burtonsafes.co.uk to download our full lock instructions guide.